wheel, use a 17mm socket. Take these lug studs out. When you go to the last one, hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. And then grab the wheel, slide it off. Pull this bolt out, use a 5mm hex bit. Get that in there. If it's a little rusty, you might have to hammer it in a little. And remove the bolt. Grab the sensor. You can wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Might have to grab it with pliers. Twist it back and forth and slide it out. Now it's clipped in right here. You might want to use a straight blade screwdriver or a pick and just slide those out. There's another one over here. Get underneath there and just slide those out. Slide that on the other side of the control arm. Now we'll take this cover off. There's two bolts right here. Use an 8mm socket. Remove those. And then there's a push pin right here. Just use a trim tool. Get under that push pin. Slide that out. There's a cover right here where the connector is. You want to pop that open. There's a couple tabs on top. You just want to pop those tabs. You can do that with your finger. And it slides over. You just lift up on those two tabs. And we want the blue connector. So just grab the wire, pull the connector out. We can disconnect the connector right here. Just push down and slide it out. And there it is. Now take the new sensor. We're going to slide over this wire with the connector and plug it in. Only connects one way, just like that. Lock it in. Position that in this little door. And then you can close the door. Lock it down. Now we can run the wire same way it came out. Connect it right into this little retainer. And we'll go over here. Now slide these wires into these retainers. And we'll lock it down. Now take the sensor, slide it back in the housing. Make sure it goes all the way down. Put the screw in. And snug it down. Put this cover back up. You can put the push pin in first. Line that up. Push that in. And get the bolt started. And snug them down. And install the wheel. Line it up. Put the lug nuts in. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.